going on, Uza? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a hair tutorial, the first one of the year, bringing back the hair tutorials for you all. So shout out to Luvme Hair for sending me this lovely wig. Thank you so much. I love the hair so far. I believe it is a 24-inch wig, 13x4, but I'll put the specs down below on this hair. Comment down below if you'd like a more in-depth review on this hair to see how it stands up for a week or so, or a couple of months, since I do like to rewear my unit. This tutorial is going to show how you install your wig realistically in a short amount of time and still make sure it looks good. Okay, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So hey everyone, again, so Luvme Hair sent me this undetectable invisible lace water wave 13x4 frontal lace wig. It's also HD lace, but I did bleach the knots. It definitely made a difference, but majority of the knots actually did come bleached, so that was really nice. Yeah, the curls are water wave. They're really nice as well. So this is how it looks straight out of the box. And then in terms of shipping, it was pretty easy. They reached out to me. I told them what wig I was interested in, and yeah, it only took 7 days for it to ship, so the shipping was fast as well, so I do appreciate that. They also gave me a couple more goodies: a user guide, combs, a hair scarf, as well as an actual wig cap that matched my skin tone. So I was impressed with that. Okay, super transparent lace, it's glueless, and it was easy to install, so I can't say
you know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind.
Hairline is a little bit too long for my forehead, so for this part I am gonna cut the lace. Unfortunately, sometimes when you do cut the lace, it makes like the hairline look a little bit thicker, so I may have to come back and pluck. But yeah, so just watch me kind of just reframe the lace so it can fit my overall face frame better, or my head shape better. So for those of you wondering why I'm cutting my lace in a very specific way, it is because I'm cutting in a zigzag formation. So you want to make sure you're cutting your lace in a zigzag formation because it makes the wig look more seamless and more natural, versus cutting it across straight. It makes it more like visible and just overall less natural. So definitely make sure to cut your lace in a zigzag formation. Here's the hair. So my forehead looks bigger or normal now. So now I have to kind of reshape the lace. My tweezers, my handy dandy tweezers. Even this side's a little bit too much like lace, but we're gonna make it work. Easier to spread out. By the way, don't try to get glue on the lace as best as you can. Kind of in a rush, so that's why I'm doing it like this. That's why I am doing it like this, but definitely take your time on this section. It just overall just lays better since I've been wearing wigs for a while and laying them and stuff. and as well as applying wigs on other people. It's really honestly easy for me to like kind of gauge how my lace is gonna look. And of course, having the best application foundation, making sure that is all figured out before just slapping a wig on, you know. Okay, kind of like how I'm doing. I'm kind of slapping the wig on, but I have some sort of doing 2 layers instead of one, since I really wanted to lay down. Glue, been using it for practically years now, so so yeah, definitely get your go-to glue. Do 2 layers as you see fit. I just realized a lot with the middle part of the wig, sometimes it doesn't fit me, or like it kind of like poofs up or bunches up, the lace bunches up. So I like to add just a little bit more glue to ensure that it lays flat on my head and so that I can look laid. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I'm like drying and stuff, because all I am doing is literally just gluing right now. Glue. So less is more when using glue, of course. I mean, yes, I am using 2 layers, but it's definitely important to not to use too much glue, because it'll eventually build up after your install is a little bit older. Too much, don't go too crazy, you know, with the glue. I love me some glue. And reinforce it with the spray. I've been spray later, but yeah, so I'm gonna just let this dry, and then I'll go in with like some alcohol later to remove the excess glue right here.
Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby.
Y'all, I'm doing surgery on this wig right now. I see the vision. Even if you don't see it yet, I see the vision. Just if you watch this to the end and watch how it comes together, you'll be like, oh, okay, this is how you do an install when you're under pressure, okay? Hey guys, back again. Yeah, I'm so sorry that I'm out of the frame. So basically I was just trying to frame my hair by cutting in like a few layers and stuff, because I didn't want the hair to be, you know how sometimes when you have like a curly wig and it's all the same length, it can like look kind of flat. Yeah, that was not the look I was going for. I wanted it to look more full, so yeah. So that's what you see me doing. You see me plucking as if something is happening, right? But no, it was crunch time by now. I was pressed for time. So definitely, with customization, you know, try to take your time, okay? Because as you can see right here, I was pressed for time, and the time was dwindling, and I needed to pluck the hairs and put the baby hairs in place.
night. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't wanna say no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind on this story. You belonging, you make me feel sorry.
So that concludes this hair tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. What would you like to see from me next? I also can do a review, my honest review on this wig as well. So just please let me know. And yeah, so that's it for now. So I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.